Hello. In this video, we will see how to close an initiative. The approver of an initiative is also the person responsible for its closure. When the implementation phase of an initiative is complete, the approver is notified that they now need to close it. As an approver, you can access the initiatives page either by clicking on the initiative title in the New Actions to be Taken section, or by clicking on the My Actions to be Taken block, then selecting the initiative title. We see that the initiative was implemented with success by Larry and is now awaiting closure by Sasha. Larry's results of the implementation are also accessible here. You can now choose to close the initiative successfully or close it without success. Indeed, an initiative may have been implemented successfully but closed without success if, for example, the results did not meet the initial expectations. Other options are also available, such as requesting a verification of the implementation from another team member. For this tutorial, we will close the initiative with success, write the results of the closure, and submit. The initiative has now reached the end of its life cycle. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon.